In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add booking calendar to Wix website. By the end, you'll have a functional booking calendar added to your site using Wix bookings, so visitors can easily schedule appointments right from your pages. Start in the Wix editor with the site you want to update open. On the left side of the editor, look for the App Market icon. This is where you can add official Wix apps and trusted tools to extend your site. Click App Market. Then use the search bar at the top to type in Wix Bookings. You're looking for the official Wix Bookings app. Once you've found it, click on Activate. The editor may take a moment to install everything it needs. Just let it finish. When it's done, the app is connected to your site. As soon as Wix Bookings is added, Wix automatically creates a dedicated bookings page for you. You don't have to build it from scratch. The page comes preloaded with a working booking calendar, so the core functionality is ready right away. To see this, open the Pages panel, sometimes labeled Menus and Pages, on the left. You'll notice a new page in your list, typically named Bookings. Click it to jump straight to the page, and you'll see the booking calendar element placed on it. That calendar is already live within the editor environment and tied to the Wix booking system. You can move or resize the calendar on the page to fit your layout, and the default design will look clean out of the box. If you want to explore style adjustments later, you can, but nothing extra is required to make it functional. Next, make sure your visitors can get to this page easily. You can do that by creating a button or a menu item that links to the bookings page. If you prefer a menu item, open Menus and Pages and ensure the bookings page is set to show in your site menu. This places it right in your navigation so users can find it from any page. If you prefer a button, open the Add panel, choose Button, and place it on a prominent spot like your home page or header. Set the button's link to the bookings page and give it a clear label such as Book Now so it's obvious what it does. And that's all there is to it. You've added Wix Bookings. The system created a bookings page and calendar for you, and you gave visitors a clear path to access it via your menu or a button. You're ready to let people book directly on your site.